Stuff Works Explained. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, hit the notification bell so that whenever you upload a new video, you are notified. In this video, we'll be talking about Kenya Urban Mobility Improvement Project, KUMIP, a transformative initiative for Nairobi's urban transport. The Kenya Urban Mobility Improvement Project, KUMIP, is a large-scale initiative aimed at enhancing Nairobi's commuter railway network and overall urban mobility. Financed by the World Bank and the Government of Kenya, the project has applied for funding amounting to US $670 million, which will be allocated to infrastructure development, procurement, consultant services, as well as institutional capacity building. Nairobi Commuter Railway Network, NCR, is a rail-based public transport operated by Kenya Railways. It serves the Nairobi metropolitan area, connecting the city center with surrounding areas. The network is designed to offer an alternative to road transport, which is often congested due to heavy traffic, and also provide affordable and efficient mass transit for urban commuters. The key existing routes for NCR include Nairobi Central Station to Ruai, Thika, which is the focus of KUMIP Phase 1. Then we have Nairobi Embakasi Village, which also Nairobi Syokimau, Nairobi Kikuyu, and also planned expansion to Ngong town, Kiambu, as well as Ruai. With the current capacity operational stations being 35, KUMIP aims to expand these to 53 stations, improving access and mobility across the Nairobi metropolitan area. The Kenya Urban Mobility Improvement Project, KUMIP, represents a significant initiative aimed at enhancing urban transportation within Nairobi metropolitan area. This substantial investment underscores the commitment to addressing the pressing challenges of the urban mobility, congestion, as well as environmental sustainability in Nairobi. What are the project objectives and scope? KUMIP is designed to revamp Nairobi Commuter Rail Network, which is currently spanning 165 kilometers and connects the city to the surrounding counties of Kiambu, Machakos, Murang'a, Kajiado. A primary focus of the project is modernization of Nairobi Central Station to Thika line, a corridor projected to accommodate up to 1.4 million passengers daily by 2030. This initiative aims to provide a reliable and efficient alternative to road transport, thereby reducing congestion and improving the overall commuter experience for Nairobi residents. The key components of KUMIP: 1. We have the commuter railway service revitalization, where track rehabilitation and expansion will happen. This will involve upgrading the existing rail infrastructure between Nairobi Central Station and Thika to enhance capacity and efficiency. Then there is the extension to Thika, extending the Nairobi Rural Railway network to Thika to meet the growing commuter demand along the BC corridor. This modernization initiative, where there is acquisition of new train sets, procuring modern, energy efficient, multiple engine train sets to improve service reliability as well as passenger comfort. This will also be upgraded digitally. There's also task-oriented development (TOD). There will be stations upgrade and accessibility, and also there will be improved access to facilities, which will enhance access to railway station through construction of feeder roads and motorized transport infrastructure such as pedestrian walkways and cycling paths. There is green mobility solutions component, where there will be adoption of green mobility solutions to address urban public transport carbon emissions, as well as including the potential of introduction of battery electric trains and other eco-friendly technologies. There is institutional strengthening and capacity building, where there will be formulation of urban transport policy that promote integration of land use and transport planning. There's be building capacity in areas such as transport research, automatic fare collection systems, as well as railway regulation frameworks to ensure the sustainable management of urban mobility systems. Implementation strategy: the project is set to commence with a 24-month feasibility study and a preparation phase starting in April 2025. This phase is critical for assessing the technical, social and environmental as well as financial and economic viability of the proposed upgrades and expansion. It will involve comprehensive stakeholder engagement, detailed planning and preparation of bidding documents for subsequent construction and implementation phases. Upon completion, Kumip is expected to significantly alleviate urban congestion, enhance mobility and promote environmental sustainability within the Nairobi metropolitan area. And by providing a reliable and efficient commuter rail service, the project aims to reduce dependence on private vehicles, lower carbon emissions, improve the overall quality of urban life. Furthermore, the integration of TOD principles is anticipated to foster sustainable urban development, creating vibrant, accessible as well as livable communities around the transit hubs. Kenya Railways is also planning to construct 3 new railway lines within Nairobi metropolis as part of its 2023-2027 strategic plan. These new lines aims to enhance urban mobility, boost passenger numbers as well as improve connectivity within the capital city. The planned line include Embakasi Village Ruai line, which is 12 kilometers. This line will connect Embakasi Village to Ruai, improving access for commuters in the eastern part of Nairobi. There is also Nairobi SGR Terminus, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport line, which is 5 kilometers. This will offer direct rail link between Nairobi's SGR Terminus and JKIA, the major airport in Kenya. And this will provide a seamless transit for air travelers, reducing reliance on road transport. There's also Riruta, Lenana, Ngong, Rongai line, which is 28.9 kilometers, and it's currently under construction. This route will serve the southwestern corridor of Nairobi, connecting residential areas like Riruta, Lenana, Ngong, and Rongai, and this will ease commuter congestion. Kenya Railway strategic plans extends beyond Nairobi with several key components nationwide. In Mombasa, there is a new line connecting Mombasa SGR Terminus to the old Mombasa town, and this will improve last mile connectivity. The line is almost complete. There is also Nakuru to Suswa to Kisumu SGR extension, which is currently being planned. There are also MGR or meter gauge railway upgrades. We have Mau Summit for Tenan, which is 75 kilometers. We have Thika Nanyuki, which is 75 kilometers. These sections will be upgraded to meet the increasing cargo demand. There's also the Voi Taveta, which is 188.6 kilometers. This branch line will be rehabilitated to complete the modernization of the MGR network. The Kenya Urban Improvement Project, Kumip, in summary, we can say it's a transformative initiative which is aimed at modernizing the urban transport in Nairobi. With 670 million in funding from the World Bank and the Government of Kenya, Kumip focuses on expanding and upgrading the Nairobi Commuter Rail network, enhancing transit-oriented development, and improving institutional capacity for sustainable urban mobility. Key components, as we have seen, include rehabilitation and expansion of the NCR network, starting with the Nairobi Ruai line extension to Thika, the modernization of ticketing and fare collection system, as well as improving station access through non-motorized transport facilities, as well as feeder bus network. Additionally, Kumip integrates digital transformation strategies and environmental and social safeguards, and this will create a more efficient and accessible as well as sustainable commuter railway system for Nairobi's growing population. Beyond this, we have seen that Kenya Railways is undertaking extra or additional railway expansion projects nationwide as part of its 2023-2027 strategic plan, and this is to enhance passenger and freight rail capacity. In Nairobi, you have seen that there are new lines planned to improve urban transport as well as seamless connections. So with this expansion as well as building of new projects, Kenya Railway is committed to improving rail transport in Kenya. Thank you for reaching this far. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you are notified. Thank you.